Hey everyone! Ever been stuck on a tough math problem and wished you had a reliable helper on standby? Today I'm sharing the top 5 math help platforms in 2025, from AI powered apps to interactive sites, so you can crack problems fast and smart. First up, Photomath. Snap a photo of any math problem, printed or handwritten, and you instantly get a step by step solution. It's quick, intuitive, and perfect for homework emergencies. Next is Socratic by Google. It's more than just answers. Snap a question, and Socratic fetches concept cards, videos, definitions, and even step by step help. It teaches you why, not just how. Coming in strong is Microsoft Math Solver. It's completely free and offers detailed explanations for everything from simple equations to algebra and geometry. Fourth on the list, GeoGebra. This free platform is amazing for visual learners. Graphing, geometry tools, dynamic calculations, it's interactive, works across devices, and ideal for exploring math visually. Last but not least, Qonda, a powerful AI tutoring platform that uses OCR to scan textbook problems and give step-by-step answers. It's massive globally, with millions of solved questions and its own math-focused AI model, MathGPT. Let's quickly compare. Need instant, on-the-go answers? Go with Photomath. Want to understand the concept? Try Socratic. Looking for free, AI-based explanations? Microsoft Math Solver is your go-to. Prefer interactive and visual tools? GeoGebra shines here. Need a global OCR-based AI tutor? Qanda stands out. Quick tips. Use apps like Photomath or Socratic for quick homework help, but always try to understand the steps. GeoGebra is amazing for building intuition, drag points, play with equations. Use Microsoft Math Solver or Qanda when you're really stuck, but don't skip the learning part. And there you have it, the top 5 math help platforms of 2025. Whether you're crunching homework, prepping for a test, or just curious, there's a tool here for you. All links are at the end, so go check them out. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning smarter. See you next time.